Today we are working on a secret assignment. Shh. Say shh. All right, so what are we making?
American Girl sleeping bags.
American Girl sleeping bags. So we're going to take some material that we made some of their gowns out of for the Disney cruise last year. This one is
Sarah's.
and this one is
Madeline's.
and we're going to make the no-sew sleeping bags. So we don't have two colors to use, so we're going to do both pieces out of this, okay?
Okay.
So the first thing we have to do is measure it with the yardstick, because the yardstick has
35.
well, it has a less number, 36 inches on it. So we're going to use that to measure with. I'm not going to put the measurements on here, but I will link the blog that we are basing this off of for our pattern, and in the description below. But so we are going to measure it, and then also whenever I'm measuring and drawing out for on fabric, I use chalk. The chalk may be a little bit harder to see on here, but I think it will still work. But we use it to measure out with. So first thing we're going to do is fold this out, and
Then draw.
we're going to measure and draw. I did do one thing wrong. I forgot to cut off a section here for the fold over for the head part. But I went ahead and did it with this one. And this one is already cut out. So, and I went ahead and tied the knot on the fold over so she doesn't have to worry about lining them up. So now all she has to do is knot them up and then we are finished. So was this a fun project? Was it easy or hard?
Easy.
What do you tell everybody?